Hey everyone, happy holidays to you all! Today we're diving into the magic of the winter season with an exciting Christmas outdoor lights display. Whether you're looking for inspiration for your own home or just love enjoying the festive decorations, you're at the right place. I'm going to walk you through this wonderful display, share different ideas, and show you how to create the perfect holiday glow for your home. So enjoy the music, hit the like button, and let's light up the season. Inflatables add a quick and easy way to create a Christmas atmosphere to any outdoor place. It is recommended to go with around a 4 to 6 feet tall inflatable instead of an 8 foot or over inflatable. Shorter inflatables are easy to handle and are stable to the ground on windy and rainy days. Widely used Christmas candy cane lights are very easy to use, assemble, and to store. These string lights create a relaxing and memorable holiday atmosphere, perfect for Christmas decor or social gatherings like a Christmas party, outdoor wedding, or festival celebration. Meteor shower LED lights, also called falling rain lights, are perfect for a wide range of settings and occasions. Whether it's Christmas, New Year's, weddings, parties, or even business events, these lights will create a magical ambiance. Pairing outdoor string fairy lights with a timer memory plug is a great way to bring the festive cheer in your decorations. These lights often come in various solid colors or programmable patterns for you to enjoy. The Snowflake Artificial Christmas Tree in the slim design version with LED lights is perfect for compact areas indoors or outdoors, whether it be in screened porch areas or in the front porch area.